administration in the state under the leadership of His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Gaidam, FCNA, FNCA, FCPA. We, the beneficiary of Special Empowerment Program, and indeed the other youth of goodwill, pleased to continue to support all the policies and programs of present administration. We have resolved to mobilize all youth in the state to cast their vote to His Excellency, to enable him to continue deliver more dividends of democracy in our state. To show the way, we have also resolved to confer on His Excellency the prestigious title of Garkuwan Matasa of Yobe State. So, Your Excellency, you are our Garkuwa now. Your Excellency, may wish to know that we don't have gold and silver, but a souvenir and shield specially made is what the grateful youth in the state can offer as mark of recognition of your contribution toward the upliftment of our livelihood. While the appreciation, the 15,000 allowance of the program, may I suggest that the next batch of the beneficiaries given an opportunity to undergo training that will lead to self-employment in line with the statement made by His Excellency in 2014 budget speech. I quote, the implementation committee should look inward to come up with the further strategy that will make all the beneficiaries of poverty alleviation program in the state self-reliant, in short, teaching us how to fish rather than how to make us to depend on fish handout. Once more, we are grateful to His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Gaidam, Garkuwan Matasa of Yobe State. As mark of appreciation, I now, on behalf of the beneficiaries of the special empowerment, and indeed the youth of Yobe State in general, present to His Excellency a souvenir and shield, the instrument signify the investiture of position of Garkuwan Matasa in Yobe, meaning the shield of youth of Yobe State. Your Excellency, sir.
Thank you so much. Muazu Bawa from Pune local government area, speaking on behalf of the 6,752 diploma holders who have been enrolled in the Youth Empowerment Program for the last 24 months. The leader of the group now about to present an award appointing His Excellency the Governor as Garkuwan Matasa of Yobe State. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Muazu Bawa there on behalf of all the 6,572 diploma holders and those who are benefiting from this program, presenting an award
thank you very much, sir.
Naming His Excellency the Governor as Garkuwan Matasa. We may say thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are going to move forward. As I said earlier, in addition to the 6,752 diploma holders who are here today, there are other diploma holders who have been recruited, who have just been recruited by this Yobe State government, and they are going to be part of the program. There are 102 of them. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As I said, in addition, additional diploma holders have been recruited, just recruited, and they are here today. On the other side, there are 102 of them. They are diploma holders. They have been engaged by the state government. And because of the nature of the assignment that they are going to be given, they are going to earn slightly higher than the 6,572 that have been enrolled in the program. Of course, this is very clear, and I know that statements clearly will be made in regard to that. But before we move on, Your Excellency, with your permission, I will also want to announce that at the local government level, under the Ministry of Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, 5,896 diploma holders have been reabsorbed by the local governments. They have been reabsorbed. They were earlier screened out, but they have been reabsorbed because of the need to ensure that they have something doing. And the diploma holders among them are collecting 15,000 naira, as are these 6,752 who are here today. And those who have secondary school certificates earn 10,000 naira per month. And we are talking of 5,896 people under the scheme at the local government level. And in total, together, all of them are earning 66.5 million naira monthly. So this is also ongoing, separate and apart from this program that we are holding today. Just for your information, that we are moving forward, not just at the state level, but also by the grace of the Almighty God at the local government level as well. So these 102 newly engaged diploma holders are here. On the other side, I believe the camera is panning. Is it panning to that side? I want to invite just a few of them to be given their appointment letters symbolically by His Excellency the Governor, because, of course, 102 is such a number that we can't present all the certificates to them, letters of appointment to them here in this occasion. I'm just going to invite three of them to come forward to receive their letters of engagement for His Excellency the Governor. I want to invite Abubakar Adam Ibrahim. Abubakar Adam Ibrahim to please move forward to the stage there, to the high table, as it were, to collect their letters. I also want to invite Abba Mustafa and Tijani Muhammad. Three of them will collect their letters of engagement. They are diploma holders, and they have been engaged by the Yobe State government as part of the ongoing youth empowerment program of His Excellency Governor Ibrahim Gaidam's administration. Three of them will be presented with their engagement letters now. Thank you.
Okay, congratulations. This is the letter of your engagement. Congratulations. Abba Mustafa. Congratulations, Abba. This is the letter of your engagement. Tijani Mohammed. Congratulations also. This is your letter.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. His Excellency the Governor has just presented letters of engagement to three diploma holders, Abubakar Adam Ibrahim, Abba Mustafa, and Tijani Muhammad. They are among the 102 newly recruited diploma holders who are here today with us as part of this program. Your Excellency, at this juncture, I want to invite the head of the civil service, Alhaji Dauda Yahya MNI, who formally invites His Excellency the Governor to present merit awards to deserving personalities and organizations on their outstanding performance. I have said earlier, he said, the head of service has also said earlier, that in addition to this youth empowerment program, we're also slated today to present merit awards to organizations and individuals across our state who contributed and are still contributing to the development of the state. This is by no means an exhaustive list. There are thousands of people all across our state who continue to contribute to the development of this every single day, every inch of the way they are contributing. It's not possible to recognize all of them because of time constraint, so we're just going to do the recognition for a few of them, and the rest, the remainder of the list, will be given their merit award letters from the Office of the Head of Service later going forward. So the Head of Service will now invite His Excellency to present